What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we have a very special unboxing because we have a very limited sneakers. These are only 200 pairs all over the world. So stick around. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. All you need to do is watch every single one of our videos from October 1st to October 31st, and the rest of the mechanics will be on the description box below. So guys, I'm here inside the Anta store at Mega Mall, and they were very nice to me to offer and unbox one of the very special sneakers of Klay Thompson, which is the East Bay Times. So let's go. So guys, what I have here is a very limited sneakers, only 200 pairs all over the world. These are called the KT4 or Klay Thompson 4 East Bay Times. So let's unbox these. So here you go. This is the plastic box. You have a newspaper instead of tissue paper, and there you go. So guys, one of the most limited sneakers available. Here's the other one. So let's do a quick review on these sneakers. So basically the upper is made out of this synthetic leather, which has a print of a newspaper that has a lot of Klay Thompson news. So like for example here, record broken, clump buster. So basically Klay Thompson have broken a lot of records in the NBA, especially for 3 points. So in Klay we trust. So there's a lot of things, like here you have a photo of Klay Thompson. So basically this sneakers is a very special sneakers for Klay Thompson as well, because it has all his stories. And yeah, I like how they did it. It's very unique. I haven't seen any sneakers like this before. So to continue our review here, they have ultra flat laces over here with Klay Thompson written. And then on the edge of the aglet, you have a gold aglet. You have a heel tab in leather with number 11, Klay Thompson's number. And yeah, you have here on the ankle collar, it's like a garter, white outside with the Klay Thompson logo. Inside, the insole, it's a continuation of all the newspaper vibe on the insole. So yeah, these are very nice looking, very unique sneakers, and I'm very fortunate to unbox this for you guys. On the midsole, it's a continuation of the newspapers, and on the outsole you have a translucent rubber, and you have a Klay Thompson photo at the back. In the middle you have this plastic gold plate. I think this is for support, and then on the heel you have the Klay Thompson logo. So to continue, the left side of the sneakers, as mentioned, had the blue K on the outsole, while on the right side, it is actually yellow. And then one significant thing also that I missed is that the newspaper on the right side of the shoe is actually in Chinese characters or Chinese newspapers, while on the left side is actually in English. Another thing to note is that these sneakers was inspired by Klay Thompson because he apparently loves to read newspapers. That's why in the box it says, "Be like Klay, read the news." Now this colorway was actually made in a limited basis, as mentioned, to only 200 pairs to celebrate the signing of Klay Thompson for a 5-year contract. And guys, Klay Thompson signed a $190 million for 5 years. So that's $38 million every single year. Isn't it crazy? Well, Clay Thompson is very popular in China, and you know how many people they have in China. That's why I think that amount of money paid to him is well worth it. One thing I noticed though is that when I checked the Anta website, they're actually still selling these sneakers. The price of these sneakers is at $299 US. So if you still want them, they still have few sizes available. You can get them at the Anta website.
Yeah.
So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed our video of the unboxing for this Clay Thompson 4 East Bay Times. We're very lucky that we were able to unbox these sneakers for you guys. Please let me know if you like these sneakers. So that's about it, guys. Before we end this video, let me remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. So please check out the mechanics down below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.